October 17, 2017, 3 years ago on this day, a day that has become important in the lives of the Marawi people as the government officially declared the end of the 5 months bloody battle between government forces and militants. The war turned the once bustling Islamic city of Marawi to rubble and left thousands homeless. Homelessness remains the common story in the aftermath of the siege and 3 years after it has ended.
Galing po kami sa isa po ako sa mga most affected area, biktima ng most affected area. Isa po kami sa pamilya na nagkawatak-watak bago magkasis. 11 po ang anak namin. Hindi ko po maalis sa isipan ko na nangyari sa amin sa Marawi.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sagian kaya sagad kaya pakaw kita gian kaya siege na tanto amargna kaya paka gedamami mga meranaw, mga IDPs. So kibabalingan namin ada.
And this day, Junodin excitedly leads the UN Habitat team to Ground Zero, the most affected area of the Marawi siege, where his house and that of his family was located prior to the siege. In conversations, he proudly tells of his family's land, more than 1,000 square meters, having a port of its own where boats docked, as it is located at the edge of Lake Lanao. He never expected what he found out today, his second visit after the siege. The first time, there were steel walls and posts standing as remnants of his house.
Ngayon wala na. Wala nang nakikita. Plaster na. Sana
From these ruins, from these flattened surfaces where houses, homes, and lives have been lived, hope can still be found. The Marawi people of the Islamic city of Marawi, of Lake Lanao, is proven in its history, have always been able to rise above their collective sufferings.
naaya kailangan namin na solusyon, madakalaukit. Sa isa aukit, nagyan kaya kapag-isa-isa.
Umpisahan, gawin yung project natin sa phase 3, which is the Patani project. Thank you po.
Okay na po yung may-ari ng lupa. Even without the payment, ay pwede na magsimula yung mapipiling contractor na mag-site develop ng area. Nang sa ganun, mas mapabilis po yung pagpapatayo ng mga bahay once na na-develop na po yung area. So the soonest possible time, probably within this month, we can start.
Ang sa amin lang sir, kasi noon na, puro pangako. Puro sinasabi nyo, magawa tayo ng kontrata. Ang sa amin lang, make sure na yung gagawin nyo, na sana ipatayo na yung bahay. Huwag muna kami paghintayin kasi marami naman yung sa amin sir, yung mga members namin sa mga huwa. Kasi yung iba, nakikitira lang doon sa mga relatives o kaya nandun sa mga nangungupahan na kailangan nila rin sir yung bahay.
Nag-usap na ho kami ni Chico Vista saka ni office ng LGU. Bubuhusan na ho namin dyan yung kalsada, pinabubuhusan ko na para 40 lots available. Then by November, 80 lots. Kaya 120 tapos na po yung 2.2. Simultaneously, bubuksan na ho namin yung Patani at yung 4 hectares.
On July 23, 2020, after a series of negotiations, 12 homeowners associations under the UN Habitat's Rebuilding Marawi project, represented by Junodin Lao, signed a project partnership agreement with the Philippine Army's 55th and 553 Engineer Brigade and the Western Mindanao Command, a partnership that seeks to address the rising construction cost and mobility restrictions owing to COVID-19.
Margni man to kapakakwami sa mga panday sabab sa giyang kaya pandemic, COVID-19. madakla mga kinanglan kailangan kapakaukit o mga worker. Gitu margen na kapaka to nami sa worker adi pandai pepanday. Nagian kaya engineer brigade na sabab ko ugupiran na miya kaukit malbudupan kapakaukit o mga pandiran imanto.
Ang 55th Engineer Brigade po ay na-create noong December 18 para po tumulong sa rehabilitasyon at recovery ng Marawi. Lalong-lalo na po doon sa mga lugar na napinsala nung nakaraang gera ng natapos noong October 17 ng 2017. Kami po ay naatasan sa pagkakaroon ng project partnership agreement para tumulong sa paggawa ng mga permanent shelter na ang mga benepisyaryo ay ang mga IDPs na naapektuhan sa loob ng MAA. Kung makikita nyo po ay kasalukuyan kami nagtatrabaho, paggawa at pagprepara ng lugar na pagtatayon pa ng mga panibagong bahay aside doon sa initial na 20.
The Habitats campaign, Housing for All, is about dignity. The campaign promotes the dignity of those that currently do not have adequate access. We're focusing on homelessness, on people living in formal settlements, but also internally displaced. In the context of Marawi, this is critical. In order to do so, we build alliances, without which resilient cities and communities cannot be achieved. For Marawi, we work with national government partners, with local government, the private sector, and of course the communities which have come together in all associations. Most recently, we are also working with the Army Corps of Engineers. Together, we build houses, community infrastructure, but we are also creating livelihood opportunities and engage in community and peace-building activities.
To the people of Marawi, I am certain that all the challenges we encountered and we are now facing, we will certainly harden. All of this because of the help of the national government and the humanitarian organizations such as UN Habitat. We will once again witness the glory of our beloved Marawi.
Kalangwan no bantu ko wala subhanahu wa ta'ala peningko share kanyan malalayon rekita no ang mga maranaw so kalilintad kapipi ginawa nago gid nagiyang kaya ingrid tano aranaw nago pa magugupaan tano andaman na giyang kay Islamic City of Marawi na ayad na mi paguyag-uyagon na so kalilintad peningko mong wala atau Afrikan tanon yan, sa Minggudalan tanon, so mga suguan yan, sa kalangulanguan yan. Saya kebetulan alhamdulillah.
The initiatives, the partnerships, and alliances built around the goal of adequate housing remain a key solution to addressing homelessness among displaced families. As UN Habitat and its Rebuilding Marawi project joins the rest of the world in putting a spotlight to the need for housing for all, for a better future in this urban October.